Good morning, my dear students. I am S.K. Tiwari with you from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Today, I want to throw light over the upper house of the state legislature, that is known as Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council. I want to remind you that yesterday I taught you about the lower house of the state legislature, that is known as Vidhan Sabha or the Legislative Assembly. And now today I want to tell you about the composition of the Vidhan Parishad. What is the composition of Vidhan Parishad? The legislature, please kindly excuse me, the Legislative Council is the upper house in a state legislature. Legislative Council is the upper house in a state legislature, and the Constitution has fixed the maximum strength of a legislative council. It is 1/3 of the total strength of legislative assembly of the concerned state, and the minimum number is 40. Now I am going to explain next point, and that is period of Vidhan Parishad or the Legislative Council. What is the period of Vidhan Parishad or the Legislative Council? The Legislative Council is a permanent body. I mean, it works continuously. It is never dissolved. In this sense, we may say this, that Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council is a permanent body. But 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years, and elections are held for the vacant posts. Once again, 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years, and elections are held for vacant seats. And next point, I am going to explain the total term of a member for 6 years. I mean, the member of Vidhan Parishad is elected for 6 years, and after 6 years the members get their retirement. After that, I am going to explain, I am going to tell you about the eligibility of a member of Vidhan Parishad or the Legislative Council. What should be the eligibility of a member of Vidhan Parishad? I am going to explain you, I am going to tell you what should be the eligibility. The first eligibility I am going to tell you: a member of the Legislative Council should be a citizen of India. This is the first condition. This is the first eligibility, that a member should be the citizen of India. Only then he may be able, he may be eligible to be the member of Legislative Council. The second condition, I mean second eligibility, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to explain before you that members should be at least 30 years of age. He should not be less than 30 years. I mean his minimum age should be 30 years. And third point I'm going to raise here, I'm trying to explain you that he should fulfill, I mean the members should fulfill other qualifications. What are the other qualifications? I mean members should not be mad or lunatic. The members should not be insolvent or bankrupt, and the members should not be culprit or offenders. And these are the eligibility of the members of Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council. Next day I shall put my further explanation before you, and so for today, bye bye.